morning, my friends. How are you today? I am doing very well, thank you. I'm excited. It is art day. Are you ready to welcome in the day? Let's get your sun. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed and my hands are in my lap. Tommy Thumb is up and Tommy Thumb is down. Tommy Thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head, dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our spaces with bright shiny faces, and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Miss Alexa. Good morning. What's your name? Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? But what beautiful day is it today? Let's take a look at the calendar. If yesterday was Monday and tomorrow will be Wednesday, that means today is, today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. What is the date today? Can you help me, please? Let's count. 1, 2. Only 2. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd. Hoy es el martes, el segundo de junio. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Los días de la semana son 7, son 7. Los días de la semana son 7, son lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo, son 7, son 7. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy, is it snowy in the sky? What is the weather like with you today? Oh, we're here in Charleston. I'm very lucky. It's sunny, but it's also very humid and hot. So I am going to sing about it being humid, you know, where you kind of feel like you need another shower. And you can sing about the weather with you, and then we'll meet at the end of the song. Ready? I know a day just like today, and humid was the weather. H-U-M-I-D, 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 and humid was the weather. My friends, it is Tuesday, it is art day, and I am so excited. But first of all, to do our art, I have to introduce you to our new continent for the month. Our continent that we will be studying over summer is the pink continent, South America. South America. And the work that we will be doing will be related to a lot of things to do with South America. So today, we are going to do an artwork about a famous animal that lives in the swamps and the rivers in the tropical areas of South America, like in the rainforest. And it's kind of a little bit of a scary animal. I'm gonna give you a clue. It begins with S. It's a snake, but not just any snake. Oh no. This snake is called an anaconda. It is the biggest snake in the world. The anaconda is the biggest snake in the whole wide world. It is huge. Anacondas can live until they're 10 years old. Now, that might not sound very old to you and I, but if you have a dog or a cat, you'll understand in dog years or in cat years and in snake years, it is very old for a snake. They can grow up to 9 meters long and weigh up to 227 kilograms. That is a lot. If you don't do your weight in kilograms, you can go in your Google, ask your parents to go in the Google for you and tell you how much that is in pounds or in stones and ounces, because that is heavy. I bet some of them weigh more than you do. They say that if they took the average 10-year-old, if they took 6 10-year-olds and laid them on the floor from head to toe, head to toe, head to toe, that is how big an anaconda can be. Wow! Shall we make an anaconda? Let's do it! Let me show you my tray today. So on our tray, what I did was I cut up lots of strips. So anacondas can come in different colors, but I was going to make kind of a greeny one. You remember I have this spare paper lying around my house. It's nearly gone now because I've been using it for my projects, but I have lots of strips of paper. You are welcome to cut them yourselves if you can use your scissors very safely. I also have a marker, a glue stick, and I have a small piece of red paper that I previously cut out into my tongue. Would you like to see how we can make our snake? You might have seen this before. We are going to make a big, long chain. You remember how to make those decorations? So we roll it over. First of all, we take our glue, and I'm going to hold this one up, but remember, you do this at a table so you can balance out everything really well. And fold it over. Oh, it's like a bracelet. Now we're going to take another strip. Watch. You see what I'm doing? Because an anaconda is so big, I made my paper quite big. If you want to make a baby anaconda, you can. Or it can be any snake at all. Ready? Watch as I put the like making up little songs when I'm doing artworks. Maybe you could make one up too. So my friends, you are going to continue to do this until you have the longest chain. You can make your snake as long as you want to. And finally, when you come to the head, you're going to put a smaller loop in for the head. So you can cut a smaller piece of paper or you can stick it over a little bit smaller. So what I'm going to do is stick my paper over a tiny bit smaller. This is going to form the head. And on the very end, we're going to make an even smaller one to go around, really for the mouth, I guess. A little head and a little mouth. Pull it all the way around. Now you could probably cut that extra end piece off. I quite like it being a little bit thicker on the end. And remember, if you need help, be sure to ask if you have older brothers and sisters or your nanny or mom and dad. Once you have your little head at the end, you're going to take your tongue that you cut out, your little tongue, and we are going to stick it on the top. I'm just putting a little bit of glue on it down here. Stick on the tongue and bend it over a little bit. Can you see? Oh, it's coming into shape. And then I'm going to take my marker. I'm going to draw on some eyes. Ready? Little anaconda eyes. Now, if you have those goggly eyes at home, you could stick some goggly eyes on too. They would look really cool. But if you only have a marker, it looks just as effective too. And there you have it, my South American anaconda. I think I'm going to continue this and I am going to post it on the Facebook page just how long it got by laying it around the room. If you're not a member of our Facebook page, Circle Time with Miss Alexa, the link is in the description. Please go ahead and join our page so we can see your work too. I'm so excited to see what you come up with. Okay, my friends, because we started a new continent today, let's remind ourselves of the continent song. I like to do this every time we start a new continent, and I will also put the wonderful link to this beautiful song in the description below. You really want to try and play the original version with the music because I'm sure it will stick in your head. I know that my kids love it, the kids that I used to teach love it, and I love it too. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. The world is split up into continents, there are 7 in all. And if you get the gist, we're gonna make a list from biggest to small. They are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Hey, my name is Asia, and more than half of the world lives here, but whatever. And I am Africa with desert for miles, and the Nile is the longest river. North America starts down in Panama, wide open spaces all the way to Canada. I'm South America with animals galore, where the rainforest grows, cause the rain really pours. I'm Antarctica and I'm totally ice. And I'm Europe, you're welcome, for the pasta, pizza, waffles and fries. I am Australia, some call me Oceania. I got a lot of islands, too many to explain to you. We are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. I love that one. Play it, you'll love it too. Let's finish off with our pranayama breathing exercise. We are going to breathe like anacondas. So let's breathe in and hiss out like a snake. Are you ready? shoulders up and down in your back pockets. Join me tomorrow, my friends. It is Science Experiment Day. We have a super fun science experiment about the rain in the rainforest. Goodbye.